Patricia Verano, and originally from Argentina, but I'm kind of from different parts of the world. And I think I always had this passion for writing. I mean, I'm a teacher author. I wanted to be a teacher all my life. I was always teaching my toys, my friends. Everybody was like, stop teaching us. Like if I wear more. And more of what they wear, right, really. So I think I developed this thing. And when I met Blaine Ray, and we were like pioneers when we started to develop materials that we needed, because we didn't have novellas written with, just a few words, and that at the same time were significantly compelling for students. So I think that combination really was like my aim. I really feel complete as a teacher now, because I know that I can give the students what they want. Name of the book in English is Family Secrets. Actually, I have it in English too. Sometimes it's easier for me to write in Spanish, and sometimes it's easier to write in English, depending on my mood. And in Spanish is Secretos, the familia. This is a combination of two stories happening at the same time. I could say that it's a love story, and how love is felt some time ago, which could be the student's parents, and how love could feel when you are a teenager, right? And how the stories have like a merging point at some point, because both loves have a lot in common, and what they have in common is the members of those two families. I'm not gonna say anything else because I'm gonna tell and reveal, but it's very nice. And what inspired me is that, well, I am very fond of visiting my neighbor countries here in South America. I wanted to create a kind of, how can I explain, using symbols that have to do with the culture of the country. So in Paraguay, or in Uruguay, or in Argentina, the culture of the Aboriginal groups, the symbols they used to communicate, what an arrow meant, the names of these cultures, probably are an issue in countries like Paraguay or Uruguay. Maybe not in Argentina, because we are more cosmopolitan. But in Paraguay and in Uruguay, they really respect their Aboriginal roots. And I thought that showing what an arrowhead was, how people can use those arrowheads as necklaces to make them proud of the culture, I think that was what inspired me. Thank you so much. My name is Pat Verano, as I said before, and I hope that you read my books, and I'm writing more interesting and compelling students. And I recommend that you really read not only my books, there are plenty of wonderful books that I do that you should be reading and sharing with your students. It's fantastic. It's a fantastic platform. I'm very, very proud that Teachers Discovery is publishing my books. Thank you very much.
Flangoo.com